Hello everyone. If you've ever dealt with mice in your house, you know how persistent and unpleasant guests can be. Today, we'll reveal to you a natural solution that can help you get rid of them without chemicals and expensive traps. Subscribe to our channel because we bring you useful tips every day. Baking soda, this common kitchen ingredient, can be your secret weapon. Watch till the end, because you will find out how to use it in the best way. Have you already tried various methods to solve this problem? If you have a trick or tip, share it with us in the comments below. Your experience may help others who find themselves in a similar situation. So how can baking soda help get rid of mice? When mice eat baking soda, it reacts with the acid in their stomach and creates gas that they cannot expel from their bodies. This results in a natural removal of mice without the need for chemicals or traps. For this method, you will only need a few ingredients: baking soda, flour, and powdered sugar. Here's how it works. Step 1. Take equal amounts of baking soda, flour, and powdered sugar. For example, 1 tablespoon of each ingredient. Step 2. Mix them well. The powdered sugar will attract the mice. Simple and inexpensive solution to the mouse problem. The flour will help them eat the mixture more easily, and the baking soda will do the rest. Step 3. Put the mixture in small containers or lids, and distribute them in places where you have noticed traces of mice: in the corners of rooms, behind closets, or near their path. It is important to note that you use this method out of the reach of children and pets. And there you have it, a natural. We hope this method will help you. If you found the video useful, press like, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to share this trick with your friends. See you in the next video with more practical tips for your home.